Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn the Google Maps notifications on or off. So here I've already opened the Google Maps apps on my phone, and to easily find the settings first, you can just click on your photo at the top right corner, your profile here on the Google Maps, and just find the settings option. Okay, so in here you can just scroll down and you'll easily spot the notification option. Click on that. Okay, so here there are one, two, three, four, five, six notification settings that you can adjust. So for example, the first one is location and profile. So here you can set the preferences. Here you can see now my preferences is on for all, and here if you want to just you don't need to set it one by one. You can just click on the set preference for all. For example, I'm going to make it off. Click on off, then click on OK. You can see it will turn off automatically like this. You can also do the same with others notification. For example, the getting around. Here, just click on set preference for all. Click on off or on maybe, and just click on OK. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.